Look at him, the way he walks into a room. People notice. The way he speaks. People listen. No one interrupts him. No one ignores him. And you stand there watching, thinking, can I ever become like that? Will I ever reach that level? You feel it, that gap between who you are and who you could be. And deep down, you know the answer. You could be there, but you're not. Why? Because you lack confidence, and you feel it every single day when you hesitate before speaking, when you stay quiet, even when you have something to say, when you avoid eye contact, when you replay conversations in your head later, thinking what you should have said. You already know this feeling, but here's the real question. Why don't you have confidence? It's not random. It's not bad luck. It's built slowly over time. Overthinking, comparison, self-doubt, fear of what people think. These things don't just exist. They control you. They sit in your mind and decide how you act. Before you speak, they stop you. Before you try, they pull you back, and slowly you become smaller, quieter, easier to ignore. But listen carefully. You are not born without confidence. Confidence is not talent, it's a skill. And skills can be built. So don't think it's over for you. There is still time. You can change this. You can go from someone who gets ignored to someone people respect the moment they see him. But first, you need to understand how you got here. Let's break it down. You're in a group. People are talking. You have something to say. But you wait. You think, what if it sounds stupid? What if they judge me? So you stay quiet. Someone else says something similar, and everyone listens. That moment hurts. Not because they're better, but because you didn't act. Another moment. You're about to start something new. Maybe the gym, maybe a project, maybe learning something. But then you see others doing better, looking better, moving faster, and suddenly you feel behind. So you don't even start. You compare, and you stop. And over time, this becomes your pattern. You avoid discomfort. You choose safety. You stay silent. And every time you do that, you lose a little more confidence. That's how it builds. Not in one moment, but in small decisions repeated daily. Now here's where most people go wrong. They try to feel confident first. They wait for the right move, the right moment. But confidence doesn't come before action, it comes after. So if you want to change, you need to act differently. Even when it feels uncomfortable, start small. Next time you're in a conversation, speak. Not perfectly, not confidently, just speak. Next time you hesitate, move anyway. Because every action you take sends a signal to your brain. I can do this. And slowly, that signal becomes belief. Fix your body. Stand straight. Shoulders back. Slow movements. Because your body speaks before your words do. Fix your communication. Look people in the eye. Don't rush your sentences. Pause. Let your words land. Say less, but mean it. And most importantly, stop comparing. Because you're not behind. You're just distracted. Every time you compare yourself to someone else, you weaken your own path. Focus on your progress, not theirs. And remember this. Confidence is built in moments of discomfort. Every time you do something you're afraid of, you grow. Every time you avoid it, you shrink. That's the difference. So ask yourself, how many times have you avoided something this week? How many times did you stay silent? How many times did you hold yourself back? That's where your confidence is going. Not disappearing, just never being built. But that changes now. Because now you're aware. Now you see the pattern. And once you see it, you can break it. Not in one day, but step by step. And one day, you'll walk into a room and feel different. You'll speak and people will listen. You'll act without hesitation. Not because you became someone else, but because you finally became yourself. So stop waiting. Stop overthinking. Stop holding back. Start now. One action, one step, one moment of courage. Because if you keep going, you won't just build confidence. You'll become someone people can't ignore.